Are you over 60 and feeling like your hair just isn't working for you anymore? Frustrated with styles that seem outdated or unflattering? You're not alone. Many women over 60 struggle to find hairstyles that complement their changing hair texture and evolving style. But don't worry, we're here to help. This video reveals the 10 most common hair mistakes that can age you and how to avoid them. Get ready to embrace a more youthful, vibrant look. Now, let's dive right into those hair mistakes. And the first one on our list might surprise you. Are you holding on to a hairstyle that's past its prime? Mistake number 1, holding on to outdated hairstyles. We all have those cherished hairstyles that once made us feel confident and beautiful. But just as our fashion choices evolve, so should our hairstyles. Trends come and go, and clinging to a look from a bygone era can inadvertently add years to your appearance. That feathered shag that turned heads in the 80s might not be the most flattering choice today, and that long straight style you've sported since your 20s might not be doing any favors for your changing hair texture and face shape. Holding on to an outdated hairstyle can emphasize thinning hair, draw attention to wrinkles, and create a dated overall look. So, how do you know if it's time for a change? Consider these telltale signs. Your hair feels lifeless and lacks movement. Your current style doesn't complement your face shape. You haven't updated your look in years. You're constantly battling to style your hair. Or people often remark that your hairstyle reminds them of a past decade. If any of these resonate with you, it might be time to embrace a modern refresh. Opt for a cut that complements your features and enhances your natural beauty. Soft layers can add volume, movement, and texture, creating a more youthful appearance. A modern bob is a classic choice adaptable to various face shapes and hair textures. Face framing layers can soften your features and draw attention to your eyes. Updating your hairstyle is a great first step, but it's equally important to address thinning hair to maintain a voluminous and youthful look. Mistake number 2, ignoring hair thinning. It's a fact of life. Our hair changes as we age. Thinning hair is a natural part of that process, but ignoring it can limit your styling options and even make you look older. While you can't turn back the clock, you can make the most of your hair by choosing the right cut and products. Shorter textured styles can work wonders for thinning hair, creating an illusion of fullness and volume. Think pixie cuts, layered bobs, or even a shorter shag with choppy layers. And don't underestimate the power of styling products. Volumizing sprays and dry shampoos can lift the roots without weighing your hair down, giving you that extra boost of confidence. Remember, by embracing your hair's natural texture and using the right products, you can create a look that's both stylish and flattering, regardless of thinning. While addressing thinning hair is essential for maintaining volume, it's just as important to choose a hairstyle that complements your unique face shape for a balanced, flattering look. Mistake number 3, not considering face shape. Believe it or not, your face shape plays a major role in how a hairstyle looks on you. A haircut that complements your face shape can enhance your natural beauty and make you look and feel your best. For instance, if you have a round face, an asymmetrical cut or long layers can create the illusion of length and definition. If you have a longer face, soft curls or waves can add width and soften your features. By understanding your face shape and choosing a hairstyle that flatters it, you can achieve a more balanced and harmonious look. Don't be afraid to consult a hairstylist for personalized advice. They can help you find the perfect style to accentuate your best features. Now, even with the perfect hairstyle for your face shape, neglecting regular trims can cause your look to lose its shape and lead to unhealthy, brittle ends. Mistake number 4, skipping regular trims. Think of trims as essential maintenance for your hair, just like regular oil changes for your car. As we age, our hair becomes more prone to dryness and breakage. Regular trims help keep your hair healthy, prevent split ends from traveling up the hair shaft, and maintain the shape of your style. Aim for a trim every 6 to 8 weeks, even if you're growing your hair out. It might seem counterintuitive, but those little snips actually help your hair stay strong and healthy, preventing breakage and promoting growth in the long run. So don't skip those salon appointments. Regular trims are a key ingredient for healthy, beautiful hair at any age. Remember, keeping up with regular trims is essential, but pairing them with the right hair products ensures your hair stays healthy, manageable, and full of life. Mistake number 5. Using the wrong hair products. Your hair changes over time, and the products you used in your younger years might not be doing it any favors now. Heavy oils and thick conditioners can weigh down thinning hair, while harsh shampoos can strip away essential moisture, leading to dryness and breakage. Instead, switch to lightweight, hydrating shampoos and conditioners formulated for mature hair. Look for products that add moisture and volume without leaving your hair feeling greasy or heavy. The right products can make a world of difference in how your hair looks and feels. So, ditch those old standbys and embrace a hair care routine that nourishes and revitalizes your mature hair. Using the right products keeps your hair healthy, but choosing the right color strategy ensures it stays vibrant and complements your natural beauty. Mistake number 6. Overlooking hair color changes. Grey hair is a beautiful symbol of aging gracefully, but it requires specific care to keep it looking its best. Unlike pigmented hair, grey hair can be prone to yellowing, dullness, and dryness. To combat these issues, consider incorporating a purple shampoo or conditioner into your routine. These products help neutralize yellow tones and brighten your grey, giving it a more vibrant silver hue. If you're not ready to embrace your grey fully, highlights or lowlights can be a great way to blend in those silver strands and create a more gradual transition. No matter how you choose to embrace your grey, remember that with a little extra care, it can be a stunning and sophisticated hair colour. While managing hair colour enhances vibrancy, avoiding excessive heat styling is key to preserving your hair's strength and texture. Mistake number 7. Overusing heat styling tools. We all love the polished look that comes from heat styling, but those curling irons and straighteners can take a toll on your hair over time. Excessive heat weakens the hair shaft, leading to dryness, breakage, and frizz, especially as hair naturally becomes more fragile with age. Whenever possible, opt for air drying to give your hair a break from the heat. And when you do use heat styling tools, always apply a heat protectant spray beforehand. This creates a barrier between your hair and the heat, minimizing damage and keeping your locks looking healthy and strong. By being mindful of your heat styling habits, you can maintain healthy, beautiful hair for years to come. Protecting your hair from heat damage is essential, but it's just as important to avoid tight hairstyles that can cause breakage and stress on your scalp. Mistake number 8. Wearing hair too tight. That sleek, pulled-back ponytail or tight bun might look chic, but it could be causing damage to your hair and scalp. Tight hairstyles put excessive strain on the hair follicles, leading to breakage and even a condition called traction alopecia, which causes hair loss, especially around the hairline. To prevent this, opt for looser styles that don't pull on your hair. Try a low, loose ponytail, a messy bun, or braids that aren't tightly woven. Give your hair a break from tight styles whenever possible, and you'll be rewarded with a healthier, fuller head of hair. Avoiding tight hairstyles helps prevent breakage, but working with your natural growth patterns makes styling easier and more sustainable. Mistake number 9. Ignoring your growth patterns. We all have unique hair growth patterns, from the way our hair parts naturally to the direction it grows around our face. Fighting against these natural tendencies can make styling more difficult and lead to frustration. Instead of constantly battling your hair's natural inclinations, try working with them. Embrace your natural part and texture. It can lead to more effortless and flattering hairstyles. By understanding and working with your hair's natural growth patterns, you can achieve styles that look and feel more natural, saving you time and effort in your styling routine. Embracing your natural growth patterns simplifies styling, but adding the right accessories can elevate your look and bring it all together. Last on our list, mistake number 10, forgetting the power of accessories. Don't underestimate the transformative power of accessories. They can instantly elevate any hairstyle, adding a touch of personality and flair. From scarves and headbands to clips and barrettes, there are countless ways to accessorize your hair for a more stylish look. Accessories can be a great way to experiment with your look without committing to a drastic haircut or color change. They can also be used to hide any imperfections or add a touch of glamour to even the simplest styles. So don't be afraid to have fun with accessories. They can be a powerful tool for creating unique and expressive hairstyles that reflect your personal style. So there you have it for our list of common hair mistakes that many women over 60 make. By avoiding these pitfalls and embracing the tips we've shared, you can create a hairstyle that makes you look and feel your absolute best. Remember, confidence is key, and the right hairstyle can be a powerful tool for expressing your unique beauty and personality. That's a wrap on our 10 hair mistakes women over 60 should avoid. We hope you feel inspired and empowered to embrace a hairstyle that makes you look and feel fabulous. And if you loved this video, you'll surely enjoy our next one.